We got a new guy here.
You're learning, don't worry.
Oh yeah, I've dropped my bike hundreds of times.
If you put too much input in on loose gravel, you're done.
Two hours later.
Nice.
There she is.
Woo! So yeah, it's pretty much that guy's first time on dirt. He's ridden a lot of street bikes. It's a whole different thing. Go through the mud. Oh, he did it! Yeah. Gotta get some of that mud action. We don't have a lot of that in Colorado. Oh man, I hate this tree. I almost hit it every time. Let's see if I can get out of here. Nope. I'm stuck. I would have got out of here if I didn't stop. There we go. Hopefully the new guy enjoys dual sporting. It's either a thing that you like really love or you really don't like it that much, and you'll never know until you try it. Da 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 da. Getting a little crazy there. Need to take it easy. Ooh, this is a drop off. Uh-oh. Yeah, this rut's pretty sketchy. Oh man, that sucks for kick starting.
Come back down.
Okay. Oh, how do you do, tree? You good?
I broke my clutch lever.
Oh, dang. That's not good. But, oh, it's like real bad, huh?
Yeah, and I can whip it home.
Yeah, dang.
It's not ideal. Well, let's see if I can make it up this.
Okay. He's got it. Woo!
I don't know, what single track did you want to ride?
The one that I dropped my bike down.
Those guys are not wearing helmets.
Nah, you don't need helmets.
Yeah, shit.
Nah, helmets are for losers.
We can just see what happens. Okay. Alright, let's go pick up Kyle.
Okay. Kyle's waiting for us next to the ambulance. Check it out, it's a dirt bike ambulance. To smoke! Look at all that smoky there. That smells so good. They need to make that in an air freshener. Do you need help?
Yeah, if you don't mind. There we go.
Okay.
How do you guys do this all day?
I don't know. I just did it all day until I got used to it, I guess. Oh, sweet. Did it just stall or? Oh.
Stalled it.
Oh, okay. Oh, what happened?
The clutch lever slipped out of place.
Oh, dang.
Alright? It's because the lever's broken.
Oh, man.
What?
Oh, it's like breaking more.
I'm gonna have to try and limp it home.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh. Okay, let's get him off the trail real quick.
Yeah.
You don't have to use a clutch on this bike once you get going. We need to get you down to the road. Woo, it's going! I'm going to die! Alright, have a good time.
See you, man. Hope you have fun. Woo! They're so fast. I'm just kind of chilling, you know? I don't want to go like balls to the wall. Woo! So roller coaster hills. We go left. Whee! Look at all these goldies. Whoa, where are we going? Oh, we're going this way. Oh, mud. Welcome to Rut Town. We go this way. That thing looks sketchy. Oh, I bent my shift lever. Hold on. I can't shift. There we go. All fixed. Oh, it's so crazy. My shift lever is going to get bent again. It's probably how I got bent the first time. My bike loves these ruts. They should call this Rut Trail. I'm just gonna accept my rut fate. Ow! Puddle City! I'm assuming they went this way. I don't really know. I don't know where they are. I'm just gonna go this way and hope for the best. Steps. Oh my goodness gracious. So much to ride out here. What if they didn't even go this way? And I'm never gonna see them again. Sprucewood, that way. I don't think they were going to Sprucewood. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around. Woo, this is pretty fun though. Alright, we're back to the intersection where I got lost. Lost my pals, my friends, my buddies. Oh, there it is. I went that way.
Yeah, Kyle's looking for you.
Yeah, I don't either. Oh, there he goes.
Sendable? Oh, up this?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Oh, that's scary. This is the single track. I got my bike stuck down a hill and had to leave it down overnight. There's not much room for error. Oh, and also, there's like an old abandoned road along this, and we're gonna go check it out. Oh, perfectly thought out. My goal is not to drop my bike. So far, so good. There it is. Let's go see what's down here. Where, oh, where does this road go? This is totally a road. It's a nice camping spot. It's gotta go somewhere, or end somewhere. Whoa. Ooh, a little bit of a landslide right there. It just keeps going and going. Where does it go? It was so weird, it wasn't marked or anything. Woo! Hopefully Kyle doesn't run out of gas, his KTM. He said he had like half a tank left. Okay, this is becoming less like a road, sort of. Exploring! Is that a tree down? How about that? Yeah, you think we can make it up that? Oh, he's going for it. Oh, nope. Not gonna do it.
I'm stuck.
Yeah. Do you need help?
Maybe.
Anything cool up there?
No, it's just like pretty much a dead end. It goes off right once you get on top of the hill. Right over there, killer?
Yeah, I might have it.
This is sweet. We found this though. Where's this go? Oh yeah, it just links up to the trail. Woo! Are we going up that? It's gonna do it. I don't know. What do you think?
You'll see what's up there.
Literally nothing.
Oh, look at all the leaves. Getting over the logs. Rap. I'm gonna hit this. Whoa, hit it pretty hard. I was going all the way up that. You good?
I never turned my gas on.
Oh, dang. I've done that before. Oh, dang, are you alright? Huh. He's good. Oh, can I start it? Oh! I didn't even put a foot down. I love electric start. Oh, this is the fun one. Goes around the trees. Woo! It's so fun! Alright, next. We have to stop every mile because Zach on the KLX 250 has to collect soil samples for his school project. That's pretty awesome. Homework is riding his DualSport. Man, I'm creeping up on 10,000 miles. This little T-Dubs. I actually ride this thing. You'll see old T-Dubs from the 80s and 90s with only like 500 miles on them. A lot of people don't ride these things. Sorry, my music is terrible. Oh, we're stopping here. soil sample number 2.
The idea behind it is you test in multiple, like roads versus trail, like walking versus bike, and see if they have such a negative impact that everyone says.
Oh yeah, well, this is where they make the pan. So up here, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm on drugs. Just kidding, I'm not on drugs. Is it soil sampling time?
Third one.
So how's the soil?
Very rocky, actually.
Ah, it's first drop. All right. Oh my goodness. Front tire's going crazy. You just want to be loose on the handlebars usually. Get you through. Have you guys ever heard of missing 411? So it's about this phenomenon where tons and tons of people go missing in the national forest and national parks. It's really unexplained. Like sometimes they'll find their bodies, but not all the time. And when they do find their bodies, they're almost always missing shoes. It's really strange. Some people think it's aliens. Some people think people slip into like an alternate universe. Some people think it's Bigfoot or wild men or cannibals. Like there's all this crazy stuff. There's this guy that's been tracking the disappearances and getting all the evidence and stuff. And he's written like tons of books on it. It's called The Missing 411. It's really crazy because like all the people that go missing, there's like a pattern to it and stuff. It's really weird, and it's like it's a lot of people that are just with groups too. Like they go slightly ahead of the group and they just go missing. No signs of a struggle. No blood. Bloodhounds can't find anything. It's pretty crazy. Collected some more soil. I got dust machines. Oh, so much dust. Hello, rocks! Rocks are my friends. Oh, there's that tire. Looks like someone threw a tire over the tree. Someday, the tree's gonna be really big. Nobody will be able to get it off of there. Woo! Ah, this is full throttle, second gear. It's so slow. Oh my goodness, there's so much dust. Ah, I love riding. Whoa! It's like riding behind a fog machine. Oh! Put her down in her first gear. Like my sound effects? That's okay, I don't really like them either. But at least I tried. I feel like a little kid. Well guys, I'm about out of memory card and brain space. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, I think. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this one, after I get over that right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.